stakeholder convenience, allowing those who are unable to attend to listen to the recordings after the meetings. The recordings will be publicly available on the ISO webpage for a limited time following the meetings. The recordings and any related transcriptions should not be reprinted without ISO's permission. Today, we have the following agenda: map stage availability, Fall 2020 release, market simulation initiatives and timelines, the known issues for ADS, some troubleshooting tips from ADS, known issues for DRRS and master file, and then we'll discuss the individual initiatives or the releases. Please refer to map stage portal, map.kaisa.com link for system availability information. We don't have any currently scheduled map stage maintenance for today, and the upcoming map stage maintenances are, actually we'll have a brief interruption for DRRS and CMRI. For UI and API, we're going to take the system down for some time and then bring it back up quickly. On 21st of August, we'll have ADS UI brief interruption. Same day, we'll have master file database brief interruption. And on 28th, the CMRI UI API for Fall 2020 release deployment closure system will be unavailable. Our weekly maintenance window is Friday. So this is Fall 2020 release, market simulation initiatives and timelines. The first project, the automated dispatch system replacement, we completed it on 11th of August, but we are going to rerun some of the scenarios on 18th of August, that's tomorrow, as per market participants' request. The OTT project, market simulation scenarios were completed on 12th of August. And for order number 841, requested adjustment, market simulation scenarios were completed on 12th of August. For, energy storage and distributed energy resources phase 3, the project is going to be performed on 19th of August, the structured scenarios for that project. Again, this market simulation plan is also available on the following link. We have the following known issues for ADS, and we are working on them, and we have the estimated fixed date for all of those. The first one, continuous alarm change to repeat every X seconds. We don't have a fixed date for it yet. Any questions on this?
Hey, Ashman, this is Chunyu from PG&E. I don't have a question other than a comment. So in the past, so you guys also share the structured test results as a additional slide information. So do you think that you may be able to add that as well for each initiative that has the structured test scenarios?
Sure, Chunyu. Let me get back to what we did earlier, and then I'll display the information that we can display.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Any more remarks or comments or questions?
Ashman, this is Ray from PG&E. The last issue, number 5, this is a long-term fix resolution, right? Just to confirm.
Is there somebody on the call from Kaisa side that can answer this question?
Yes, Anshuman, this is Firdaus. Hi, Ray. Thanks for your question. Yes, this is what we are planning, and our estimated date is we'll do the final patch on by then, and we'll go from there, see how it goes. but our current target is, yes, to promote the final fix for that by then.
Thank you.
Thank you for this. Okay, moving on. As we discussed in the last presentation, the troubleshooting tips to access ADS: check your firewall setting, clear the browser cache and cookies. Pop-up blockers on your browser may lead to issues accessing Kaiser ADS. If you use a pop-up blocker, you must whitelist the Kaiser domain, kaiser.com. These are the following known issues for DRRS master file. And the last two issues we have estimated fixed date on 21st of August. Any questions or comments on this? All right, moving on. Talking about initiatives now, the project Automated Dispatch System ADS Replacement Project. We performed the structured scenarios on 11th of August and 12th of August. We are going to rerun some of the cases on 18th of August per market participant request. Structured scenario documents are available on the following link, and there are some training PDFs that can be viewed under the following links. Moving on. Work order number 841, requested adjustment. We performed the structured scenario on 12th of August, and settlement processing is in progress. We have some training PDFs available on the following link, and structured scenarios links are also available. Energy storage and distributed energy resources, phase 3. We are going to perform the structured scenarios on Wednesday. The setup needed for this project is, if you want PDR LSR curtailment, if you want to see only energy award, then submit very cheap energy bids. If market participants wants to see ancillary service award, say spin, submit very expensive energy bids and $0 spin bids. For PDR LSR consumption, avoid submitting large negative energy bid. Suggested bid around -$1. There's a training PDF also available and a structured scenario document that was made available earlier on the following links. Any questions for this project? Moving on. These are the following CERA changes that are coming for ESDA 3B project. PDR LSR consumption resources are not eligible for resource adequacy. CERA will not allow a PDR LSR consumption resource to submit a request for NQC. There's a snapshot of how it will look if you try to submit a request for NQC for a PDR LSR resource. Moving on. Market settlement timeline transformation project. We're going to perform the structured scenarios on 25th of August. The cutover is on 24th of August. And first settling trade day is 25th of August for both MSTT and access behind the meter production projects. We have a training PDF that has been added for market participants to review at the following link. Access behind the meter production. The structured scenarios will be performed with the MSTT project on 25th of August. And I would like to emphasize here that market participant needs to submit meter data by 28th of August for initial and 2nd September for recalc statement for access behind the meter date project. MSTT cutover trade date is same as the previous slide, 24th of August. And first settling trade date, 25th of August for both the project MSTT and access behind the meter production. We have a training document available for this project at the following link. Any questions for this project? All right, moving on. Energy imbalance market enhancement 2020. Due to low participation, we are moving all the structured scenarios to unstructured testing. We will we will be providing a guide on how to perform these scenarios yourself. The timeline to test these project is August 31. Starting August 31, and then phase 2 starting September 21st. Phase 1 and phase 2 will have the following updates for BAOP, BSAP, RTM, and CMRI. And then a set of small fixes will go in phase 2 on 21st of September. Any questions on this? All right, moving on. Commitment cost default energy bid enhancement. The timeline is started from July 27 to September 4th. You're welcome to do any testing for this project. There's a training document available here for this project at the following link. Commitment cost enhancement tariff clarification. You're welcome to do any testing between July 27 to September 4th. Dispatch operating target tariff clarification project. The structured testing was performed on 12th of August and is complete. We have a training document for it that is available on the following link. Moving on. Now I would like to open the meeting for any further questions or comments if anybody has anything.
Hey, Anshuman, this is Stanley with PCI.
Hi, Stanley. Go ahead.
Hi, a couple questions. One, we had submitted a city ticket on an ADS API question. I don't think I saw it on the list earlier. We haven't had a response on it yet. I was hoping maybe you guys could take a look at that one.
Definitely. I will provide you a response on your city ticket. Could you please provide us the number?
Yeah, it's 227439.
Thank you.
Okay. And then second question, we were trying to do some ALFS testing. Is ALFS available on MapStage right now?
Hi, Stanley. This is Trang.
Hey, Trang.
So ALFS is available. We haven't had any outage on it. If you can try again, and then if there's still an issue, just reach out and let us know what errors you're getting. But there's no maintenance on it at this time.
Okay, cool. I just wanted to check. Yeah, we did get an error message. I'll have the team retry, and then we'll reach out to you if we still get the if we're still running into problems. Thank you.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. All right. Thanks, Ashman. That's all I had.
Thank you, sir.
This is Justin Holt from Pacific Corp.
Hi, Justin.
Can you hear me? Thank you. I have a question regarding the application delivery resiliency, all the new IP addresses and web addresses. Recently, we found that the new ADS map stage is using redirects with IP addresses that we don't have whitelisted. For both the ADS and all the new IP addresses, can CAISO provide a list of all those in a document so we can provide that to our IT teams, because it took a while. And even right now, I'm having trouble connecting to ADS map stage because we don't have all the IP addresses listed and whitelisted that probably should be.
Sure. Thank you, Justin. This is Trang. So for that, what I'll do is I'll also get the stage and production one published to you as well. And so we have the tug tomorrow, and I'll see if I can include it by that time. And if not, for map stage, at least I'll reach out to you this week to provide that information. So at this point, it's only ADS and DRRS UI that are cutting over for F5, but nonetheless, we will provide you that information for the new IPs and URLs ahead of time so that you have plenty of time for your department to set up. Okay.
Sure. Can we post this somewhere on the KAISA website, maybe on the developer site?
Yeah.
And state it as necessary?
Yeah, that sounds good. So I'll find an appropriate place to do that, and then I will publish that out in a future tug. That sounds good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks for the question.
All right, any more questions? All right, thank you everyone for joining this meeting. Our next call will be on 20th of August at 2 p.m.